Hey everyone, Old Man River here, and no, that's not me, what you're seeing on the screen. It's just my voice. I'm sitting off here to the side because my intent with this Popcast is really to focus on words shared for you to consider as we look at this topic called a Christian's Code. And I'm just doing this first Popcast as kind of an introduction to help you know what you can expect in the follow-on sessions that'll be coming. It all boils down to the fact if you look at what is a Christian's code, and as I thought about that, it kind of circled back to the aspect of like our DNA, the things that make up us, that drive us, that give us our visual, what do we look like, skin color, hair color, our mannerisms that all come out of the type of actions that we can or can't do, etc. And as I thought about that, I came up with what looked to be words that we all have heard, but for a Christian, they seem to take us a bit further down a path in our faith that either some people easily embrace or others may say, well, I had not really thought about that. So, welcome to the series on a Christian's Code. Over the days to come, I'll share kind of a short chapter or subject focus, and hopefully it'll give you some food for thought as to where you're at on your faith journey. Do you have a Christian faith or not? Do you have a different type of a religious faith? Do you have no faith? I'm not going to get into trying to argue and say, yes, you should be a Christian. I would love to see more people look at it and pursue that type of a relationship. But for some or for many, it could be, well, wait, where am I at? What's the right way to look at this? Or how do I begin to look at this and pursue a more kind of a broader view on how I view life and where my faith pursuits are taking me or not? So thank you for listening in on this first podcast. You'll see more in the days to come, and I hope you have an interest here. And as we do it, I would just encourage you in the future, jot down some notes or make notes as you go along, because it'll all tie together at the end of the book as to things that either you can set aside saying, yep, I've got that covered and I feel good about it, or no, I think I've got some things I want to think further on or pursue more insights. So that's it for now. I'll close and we'll catch you on Popcast number 2. Thanks, everyone. And we'll try to close here.